Good morning, everybody. Jim Barrett from RJL Futures, Tuesday morning, the last day of the month, July 31st. Notes and bonds higher. Notes a quarter point higher. Bonds about a half higher. They bounced pretty good. Last time I spoke to everyone was Friday. We were approaching long-term support, 133.27. In the notes, we held. We touched that actually 26.5, and we've got now a two-day bounce. Strong two-day bounce, so sort of confounding bears who thought maybe something bigger was underway late last week. Dip buyers rewarded once again. Market's a bit on hold though right here, right now, awaiting news. The Fed meeting, two-day Fed meeting has begun. A lot of pressure on them to do something, even proactively. New York Times article today pushing for that, what they can do. I don't know. I mean, the rates are already, where we are. What kind of bang for the buck with an extra push from the Fed can we get? I mean, it's somewhat doubtful. Anyways, we're waiting also for the ECB meeting, which begins Thursday. CNBC had a comment today from a Bundesbank official throwing a little cold water once again on the whole ECB bond buying idea, so that's up in the air too. Stock market is flat, holding most of last week's gains, even as notes and bonds recover. That's a bit interesting, but at the same time a bit confusing. All right, what other reports we go? We had a consumer spending report that was a little weak today. We have construction spending, ISM manufacturing tomorrow. Of course, the FOMC meeting winds up tomorrow. And then Thursday, as I mentioned, the ECB meeting, also factory orders, initial jobless claims. So, kind of a mixed picture here. Overall, the bull market and the notes and bonds held the test again late last week. However, it's going to be tough to make progress, further progress on the bounce until we get through both the Fed meeting and the ECB meeting later. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any commodity futures market. And remember, there's a risk of loss in futures trading. Have a good day.